So I'm gonna go ahead and give credit where credit is due. I had a shift cable bellows go out. There's a new one that I've installed now, but I wanted to do it without having to take all this out. And a Ross Toms on YouTube had a short clip about a minute 30 where he suggested it can be done. And while it was very hard to be able to pull the cable and not kink it or anything, like you guys can see, let me pull this a little bit to the left. It's on there. Everything looks good. Um, I just used a fishing line to be able to follow it back. So again, thanks to Ross Toms, I got a new bellows in there. The bellows cost me about $12 on Amazon, and the total time it took me to do it was about maybe 2 hours, just because I was being careful and extra precautious. But I did go to a couple places, and just on labor alone, it would have cost me four to $500, and they were gonna say that the cable was gonna need to be replaced as well, which is gonna be about another 200. So I was looking at about a $700 job. But again, if this helps anybody, all I did was I went ahead and disconnected the bellows and this clamp, and inside the engine you'll see your cable. I disconnected that and I just ran the cable all the way out carefully, put in a new bellows. I used some oil from one of my paintball guns that I used, so I knew that I wouldn't be able to mess with the silicone or any kind of plastic. But I mean, just do some research on your own and you guys should be able to be fine. Either way, again, thanks to Ross Toms for that video. I wish I would have been able to record the whole thing as that was happening, but my phone at the time wasn't working. But again, yeah, I said it's possible. It took about 2 hours. It can be done probably like an hour and a half. But yeah, everything looks good, and I'm good to go.